Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super relevant for 2025. How to seamlessly transfer your cryptocurrency from Robinhood to stake. If you're tired of fees eating into your profits or just want to explore new platforms, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Stake. You'll need to verify your identity and ensure your crypto balances are ready for transfer. Remember, in 2025, regulations might be tighter, so double-check for any new compliance requirements in your region. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account. Head over to the crypto section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if it's Bitcoin, click on it and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood has made this pretty straightforward, but keep an eye out for any minimum withdrawal amounts. Those can vary. Next, you'll need to generate a withdrawal address. Go to Stake's platform, log in, and navigate to the deposit section. Stake will provide you with a unique wallet address for the crypto you're transferring. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, back on Robinhood, paste that Stake wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: amount, network, like Ethereum or Bitcoin network, and fees. In 2025, transaction fees might fluctuate based on blockchain congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save some cash. Hit confirm, and voila! Your transfer is on its way. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the crypto and network. Once it arrives in your Stake account, you're free to trade, stake, or hold as you please. A quick word of caution: always use secure connections, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.